JBL just dropped the Tour 1 M3 at CES 2025, a flagship headphone with a touchscreen Bluetooth transmitter that's got Rolling Stone saying Sony and Apple should watch out, noise cancelling that kills, and call clarity that pops. Ready to hear why this gadget's trending? Let's dive in. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel. JBL's Tour 1 M3 headphones just hit shelves this month after a CES debut that's still echoing. With a slick Bluetooth transmitter and a vibe, people call it a legit rival to Sony's XM5 and Apple's AirPods Max. These cans are buzzing for their noise-canceling chops and call quality. We're unpacking it all. Let's roll. So what's the Tour 1 M3? Picture CES 2025. JBL flips the script with over-ears, packing a JBL first. Smart TX, a touchscreen Bluetooth transmitter. It's a tiny box that hooks up to anything. Planes, TVs, your old Walkman, via USB-C or 3.5mm beaming lossless audio straight to your headphones. X-Post from CES went nuts. Post like, "It's like my AirPods Max grew a brain." Launched on April 1st, they're out now for $400 with the transmitter, $350 without. Sources are hyped, saying these 40mm mica dome drivers deliver deep bass and crisp highs to rival Sony and Apple. 8 mics power true adaptive noise cancelling 2.0. Think real-time noise killing. And 4 beam-forming mics makes calls crystal clear, even in chaos. Oh, and 70 hours of battery? Yes, please. Why is this trending hard? JBL swinging at the big dogs. Sony's WH-1000 XM5 and Apple's AirPods Max own the noise-canceling crown. But people are saying the M3's adaptive ANC 2.0 outshines in urban jungles. Think buses, planes, screaming kids, all gone. People are saying, "Called my boss from a packed train and it sounded like a studio." That's Smart TX. It's a game changer. Touch controls for playback, EQ tweaks, even Auracast to share audio with buds. Add a 5-minute charge for 5 hours and it's built for marathons. Sources calling it the travel companion Sony and Apple wish they had made. JBL's not messing around. Let's keep it real. There's a catch. That $400 price with the transmitter? Steep. Sony's XM5 is $399. Apple's Max is $549, but neither has this wireless trick. Without Smart TX, it's $350, still premium. X-Posts note the app's personified 3.0 12-band EQ via a hearing test is dope, but finicky if you're not techie. Noise cancelling's top tier, but some say Sony edges out in dead silence. Still, the perks. That call clarity is Zoom certified. 4 mics plus AI kill background noise like champs. And spatial 360 audio with head tracking. Movies and games feel like VR. Early adopters on X are hooked, saying, "Apple who? JBL's my flex." Here's the deal. The Tour 1 M3 hit shelves April 2025 and it's a vibe. CES 2025 crowned it a flagship killer. Sources aren't wrong calling it a Sony and Apple rival. If you're a traveler, gamer, or just hate noise, this could be your upgrade. The transmitter is a wild card. Plug it into anything and cut the cord. Summer's here and JBL's betting big. Will it dethrone the giants? Xbuzz says it's close. At $400, it's a splurge. But for noise cancelling and call clarity this good, it might just be worth it. Team JBL, Sony, or Apple, where you at? Drop your pick in the comments.